Are you switching to a new iPhone and worried about losing your WhatsApp chats? Or perhaps you need a reliable way to back up and restore your WhatsApp data? Meet TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer, the ultimate solution for transferring, backing up, and restoring WhatsApp and WhatsApp business data seamlessly on both Mac and Windows. With TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer, you can effortlessly transfer WhatsApp chats from one iPhone to another. This tool is available for both Mac and Windows. In this example, I am using Mac. But if you are downloading this tool in Windows, then the process will be the same. Installing this tool is super simple. First, download the DMG file and open it. Agree to their privacy and policies after that. You'll see a window with the tools icon. Just drag it into the Applications folder by sliding it to the right. Once that's done, you'll find the tool in your Applications or Launchpad. Now, if you get a security warning when launching it, don't worry. Just go to System Settings, then Privacy and Security, and look for the option to Open Anyway. Click it, close the tool if it's already open, and then launch it again. That's it. You're all set. After opening the tool, you'll be prompted to select between WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business. Choose your preferred option, and you're ready to go. To transfer WhatsApp chats between iPhones, connect both devices to your Mac or PC using USB cables, unlock your phone and trust the device, if prompted. From there, the process is fully automated. TunesKit will take care of the transfer for you. Backing up your WhatsApp data has never been easier. With just a few clicks, you can create a backup of your WhatsApp messages, photos, videos, and other media directly on your computer, without needing iCloud or Google Drive. This means you have complete control over your data and can restore it anytime without limitations. Restoring your WhatsApp backup is just as simple. You can restore the saved backup to the same phone or transfer it to a new device effortlessly. Need to access your chats on a computer? You can export messages, photos, videos, and other media files directly to your PC or Mac. This is especially useful if you need to keep important chats or files saved separately. Manually transferring WhatsApp chats between iPhones can be time-consuming and unreliable. Traditional methods like iCloud backups require storage space and an internet connection, while transferring via chat export doesn't include media files or call history. With TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer, everything is transferred seamlessly, without any data loss. Imagine you've just upgraded to a brand new iPhone. You want to keep all your WhatsApp messages, media, and contacts intact. Instead of worrying about incomplete backups or missing chats, simply connect both devices, follow the easy steps, and let TunesKit handle the rest. In just minutes, all your chats, photos, and call history will be available on your new phone. TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer is your all-in-one tool for secure and hassle-free data management. And now you can get an exclusive 30% discount. Use this coupon code when purchasing. Download TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer for free using the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to the TunesKit official YouTube channel from the description below. Make your WhatsApp transfers easy and secure with TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer. Try it today. That's it for this video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next one.